Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1 Poetry Time, we will study about different types of nouns. So, open up page number 10 and let's get started. Do you remember that in our previous lecture we studied about lexical fields which represent the words belonging to the same category? And Hadia wrote the word categories. The first word category which she wrote was of nouns, in which different types of nouns were mentioned, like common nouns, proper nouns, possessive nouns, and collective nouns. Today, Hadia is reviewing different types of nouns. Let's see what she is reviewing. So, in our today's topic, first we will discuss about common nouns and then concrete and abstract nouns, concrete countable nouns, concrete uncountable nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns, gender nouns. Plural nouns are further divided into three types like regular plural nouns, irregular plural nouns, nouns that cannot be made plural. Then we will discuss about proper nouns, possessive nouns, and collective nouns. Let me just tell you that there are two types of nouns which are concrete and abstract nouns. This concept is actually not mentioned, I just wanted to clarify it with you. Concrete nouns are the ones which can be touched, and abstract nouns are the nouns which cannot be touched. They can be felt or they are just an idea. So, now let's get to our today's topic. First, let's discuss what are common nouns. Common nouns are the names of common persons, places, animals, things, or ideas. They are of different types. Now, let's look at the different types of common nouns. The first one is concrete countable nouns. They represent the nouns that are countable, that is, nouns with both singular and plural forms. For example, bus, dog, pilot, house. These are concrete countable nouns. It means that we can touch them and we can count them as well. Now, let's come to the second type of common noun, which is concrete uncountable nouns. Now, they represent the nouns that are uncountable. That is, nouns that do not have any plural form. For example, water, rice, and sugar. We can touch them, but we cannot count them. Now, let's come to the third type, which is singular nouns. They represent the nouns that show a single person, place, animal, thing, or idea. For example, grandmother, park, cat, computer, truth. These are all singular nouns. Now let's come to the plural nouns. Plural nouns are more than one person, place, animal, thing, or idea. They have different types. Now let's see the different types of plural nouns. The first one is regular plural nouns. Now, they are made by adding s, es, or ies to the singular nouns. For example, let's see. Gift, when you add s to gift, it becomes gifts. For box, you will have to add es, so box will become boxes. And for candy, where there is y at the end, you will change y to ies and the plural will become candies. The second type of a plural noun is irregular plural nouns. Now, they are nouns made by changing the spellings in other ways than adding s, es, or ies at the end of the word, which means that in irregular plural nouns, you do not add s, es, or ies. For example, let's look at those words. Child changes to children. Foot is changed to feet. And mouse is changed to mice. Do you see the difference between regular and irregular nouns? Okay, now let's come to the third type, which is some nouns cannot be made plural. They are always single. For example, sheep, knowledge, and butter. Whenever you use them in a sentence, they will never have a plural form. They will always remain single. Now, let's come to our fifth type, which is gender nouns. They represent the male or female genders. A male gender noun is called masculine, and a female gender noun is called feminine. For example, the male is boy and the female is girl. Similarly, in animals, the male is bull and the female is a cow. Now, let's come to another type of noun, which is proper noun. Proper nouns represent the specific names of people, places, animals, or things. They start with a capital letter no matter where they are in a sentence. For example, the name of a person, Aisha, the name of a city, Lahore, the name of an animal, Fluffy, and the name of a car, Mehran. Wherever you put them in a sentence, they will always be capital. Now, let's come to possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show if something belongs to someone or something. We add an apostrophe and s to a noun to make its possessive form. Let's look at its example. For example, we have dog's house. Do you see the possessive here? Dog with apostrophe and s. It's the possessive form of the noun dog. And Hadia's bag. Now let's come to our last type, which is collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things as one. For example, group, herd, bouquet, etc. For example, there is a group of boys. See, the group is just one for the boys. So, it is the collective noun. Now that we are done with our today's topic, you will have to do an activity. What you have to do is make sentences with each type of noun above. But the thing is, you will have to use one sentence for a person, one for animal, one for place, one for thing, and if there is an idea, you will also have to use that sentence as an idea.